Student, today I am going to continue chapter the fundamental unit of life. In this chapter we will study about two more cell organelles, lysosomes and mitochondria. Both cell organelles are very important for cell. Okay, so one by one we will study about both. First we will study about lysosomes. So look, lysosomes are very important cell organelle for the cell. Children, you know what is the work of lysosome inside the cell? Why they are present in the cell? So first we will talk about dustbin. Okay, why we use dustbin? I think we all use dustbin for throwing garbage and keep our house clean. Same as inside the cell, many waste materials are produced by the cell, and these waste material destroyed by the lysosomes, and lysosomes keep the cell clean. Okay, that's why it is known as garbage disposal system of the cell. Okay, and it also protect the cell from foreign particles. Okay, foreign particles means when any germs will enter in the cell, then lysosomes will eat up the foreign particles and save the cell. Okay, so that's why it is very interesting and very important part of the cell. Clear? So now we will see the structure and function of the lysosomes. Children, you can see this is a diagram of lysosomes. Clear? I have drawn here. This is a single membrane bound organelle, and it has many enzymes, and these enzymes are hydrolytic enzymes. Okay, they are very strong enzymes, and it is also known as digestive enzymes. Clear? They work in acidic pH, means they are more active in the acidic medium. Clear? And these hydrolytic enzymes can break the organic matter into smaller pieces and make them deactivate. Okay, so look, it is discovered by the Christian de Duve. Okay, and it is also known as garbage disposal system. Why it is known as garbage disposal system, I have told you. Okay, see the structure. Lysosomes are single membrane bound vesicles. Yes, it is a single membrane bound vesicles. It is in spherical shape. They contain strong digestive enzymes. Yes, I have told you. Okay, it is very enzymes are very strong for digesting the foreign particles and digesting the dead cell organelles. Clear? Structure has done function. Main function of the lysosome is digestion of material that enter the cell, so it is known as the digestive bags. Lysosomes keep the cell clean by destroying worn out cell organelles, old cell organelles, and the foreign particles. Okay, when cell organelle will old or damaged, then all these cell organelles will digested by the or destroying by the lysosomes. The process of digesting solid material by lysosomes is called the phagocytosis. Yes, when any solid material will digested by the lysosome, then this process called the phagocytosis. Clear? You can see in this figure. Okay, in this figure you can see out of the cell is bacteria or foreign particle is present. When this foreign particle will enter into the cell, then it covered by a membrane. Then after, lysosomes will eat up this foreign particles. You can see in this figure also. Okay, in this figure you can see lysosomes eat up the foreign particles, and this foreign particle present in the lysosomes, and the hydrolytic enzyme will eat the foreign particle, and this process called the phagocytosis. Okay, next, sometimes during disturbance in cellular metabolism, the lysosomes may burst. Okay, yes, when cellular metabolism will cause in the cell, that time lysosome bursts itself. Okay, and release the hydrolytic enzyme in the cell, and this hydrolytic enzyme will start digesting all the cell organelles, nucleus, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, and all cell organelles will start destroying. After that, when all cell organelles will damaged or dead, then cell death will cause. Okay, and this process save the other adjacent cells. Okay, that's why lysosomes are also known as the suicidal bag, because it causes cell death, and that when cellular disturbance will cause, that time cell will kill by the lysosome. It is very important that time, because if damaged cell will not dead, then other cell also can be damaged or create other disturbance. That's why lysosomes will burst itself and kill whole cell. Okay, that's why it is also known as the suicide bag. Okay children, so this organelle has done. Okay, why lysosomes called the suicidal bag, it is clear to you. Okay, during the disturbance in cellular metabolism, for example, when the cell gets damaged, lysosome may burst and the enzymes digest it their own cell. Okay, that's why it is known as the suicide bag. Next organelle is mitochondria. Okay, it is also very important cell organelle for the cell, because it is known as the powerhouse or power plant of the cell. Clear? Because with the help of mitochondria, cells get the energy. Okay, because mitochondria produce the usable form of energy. We all knows we get energy from food. Okay, but that energy is energy we get from food, that is not in the usable form. Okay, it is very it is necessary to convert not usable form of energy molecules into the usable form of energy molecules, and this is done by the only on mitochondria. That's why it is also known as the powerhouse or power plant of the cell. Because we all knows, for doing all activities like respiration, reproduction, circle, in many all other activities, for performing all other activities we require energy, and energy is generating by the mitochondria. Okay, how energy generates we will study in this video. Mitochondria produces molecules which are usable form of energy. Okay, so what is the mean of usable form of energy? Means energy which is used by cell. Okay, energy which is used by cell. For example, if you want to purchase chocolates, what will you give to a shopkeeper? Will you give him piece of paper? No, you will not give him piece of paper, because he will not accept. Okay, because the piece of paper has no value. Okay, but when you will give him rupees, okay, when you will give him rupees, he will accept and give you chocolate. Why? Because rupees has immense value. Okay, means rupees has value, and we know both are piece of paper and rupee note, both are made up of paper, but rupee has value and notes are rupees has value, and rupees notes both have usable form of purchasing anything. Means rupees are the usable form for purchasing anything. If you want to purchase anything, you will give rupees, you will not give piece of paper. Okay, because piece of paper has no value. Okay, that's why. And rupees note is the correct currency for purchasing anything. Same as a cell required energy for doing the activity, and the energy which is generated by cell. Okay, energy which is generated by mitochondria is in the usable form. Okay, so mitochondria convert not usable form of energy into usable form. So we will study structure and function of mitochondria. Clear? Mitochondria are long rod or oval shaped organelle. These are double wall, provide with outer and inner membrane. Yes, I have told you in previous videos also. Two cell organelles have double membrane, mitochondria and plastid. Okay, in the mitochondria you can see this is the outer membrane. Okay, inside this is the inner membrane. Clear? Inner membrane has many enfolding. Yes, you can see in this figure I have drawn, you can see many foldings. Okay, many inner membrane has many folding. Okay, and this folding known as the cristae, and it increase the inner surface area for generating more ATP molecules. Okay, and ATP molecules are the energy. Okay, energy molecules. Clear? The cristae help to increase the surface area of inner membrane for ATP generating chemical reaction. Mitochondrial matrix present in the inner chamber. You can see. Okay, inner membrane is highly folded and form a finger-like projection called the cristae. And in the inner membrane, you can see inner chamber. Okay, there is an internal space. Okay, and it has a fluid-like structure that is called the mitochondrial matrix. It has its own DNA and ribosomes. Yes, mitochondria has its own DNA and ribosomes. That's why it can produce its own protein. And the inner membrane of mitochondria contain many particles. Okay, these are called the F1 particles. These are present on cristae. These particles are associated with the production of ATP. Yes, children, you can see in the figure. In this figure, you can see F1 particles which are present on cristae. Okay, these are the cristae, and on the cristae you can see F1 particles. Okay, I have marked here. You can these are the F1 particles. Okay, you can the structure of F1 particle, and these are made up of protein and phospholipids. Okay, so these F1 particles are present on cristae. These particles are associated with the production of ATP. Okay, means ATP molecules production done in the F1 particles. Clear? Function of mitochondria. The chief function of mitochondria is to manufacture ATP energy molecules for the cell. Okay, because our cell can use only it can use the energy in the form of ATP. Okay, ATP are the energy molecules, and full form of the ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Okay, when ATP molecule will break, then energy will release and used by the cell for performing many other activities. Okay, so mitochondria is known as the power plant of the cell. Why it is known as the power plant of the cell? I think it is clear to you. Okay, in next video we will study about the plastids, vacuoles and cell division. Clear? Okay, thank you.